Luxor Times Egyptology Awards is an excellent idea. I think it's the first time in the field of the Egyptology to have such award. I was honored to receive that prestigious award in 2016 about my work in Gournet Marine. And I think that will support all the people who will work in the field of Egyptology to have such award.
Hello, everybody. I'm John Shearman. I'm the Associate Director here for the American Research Center in Egypt, Luxor. And I'd just like to tell you first, welcome, and to let you know how important that these Luxor Times Egyptology Awards are. Last year, in 2015, I won, RC won 2 awards. You know, Luxor Times has been covering all the information from the various missions throughout Egypt. And the awards are very important because it covers all of Egypt and all the missions that are working. So I want to thank the Luxor Times, and thanks for putting the Egyptology Awards together. And all my best to everybody, and thank you for coming to the Luxor Times Egyptology